Hello dear students. Today also I am taking some problems related to arithmetic progression, and it will be our last lecture for arithmetic progression. By next lecture we are entering to geometric progression as well, and after completing that geometric progression, okay, then we will see the mixed questions related to both types of progression, okay, arithmetic and geometric. Let's start this problem. Here the fourth term of an arithmetic series is 3 times the first term. Okay, first condition. See, fourth term of an arithmetic series is 3 times the first term. This is our first condition. And 7 term exceeds twice term by 1. Means if we multiply 2 to our third term, then we are getting 1 less with the 7 term. See, the condition is 7 term exceeds twice the third term by 1. If you multiply third term by 2, then again this 7 term exceeds by 1. Means to balance it, either we have to subtract 1 to the 7 term, or we have to add 1 to the twice time the third term. Then only the equation will be balanced. Okay, this is the case. And find the sum of first 10 terms. We need to get the sum of first 10 terms. Let's see it. In this solution, or we can write here as well. See, here in our previous questions we have supposed A and D as a first term and common difference in middle, yeah, but here we have to suppose it in the beginning. See, because we need to make the two conditions. Okay, let A and D be the first term and common difference, then common difference respectively, then see, let's make the equation for first condition. 4 term T4, 4 term of an arithmetic series is thrice or 3 times the first term, means 3 times the first term, 3 times T1. Okay, this is our first case. And 7 term exceeds, means 7 term T7. This T7 exceeds twice the third term. If you multiply third term by 2, then also this T7 exceeds by 1. Means in this condition still this T7 is more with 1. So if we add here 1, then this equation will also be balanced. Or we can subtract here T7 minus 1 equals to 2 times T3. Means this one, my plus 1 is coming this side. Anyway, this is the two equations according to the given questions. Okay, and sum of first 10 terms, means sum of first 10 terms S10 equals to what? Okay, now let's use the first equation here. Now from equation first we have see, T4 equals to 3A, or in this case we have to use the formula directly. Okay, T4 means what? A plus 3D equals to 3A. Okay, or 3D equals to 3A minus A, or 3D equals to twice A. Clear? Leave some space here. What type of if you are using substitution method, then here what type of value you need there, according to that you can manage, or you can directly do like this. Therefore A equals to 3 by 2D as a equation third, because first and second we have already supposed. Or you can leave space here, and according to the requirement you can manage here. Okay, and from equation second, let's see the equation second. T7 equals to twice time the third term plus 1 to balance it, yeah, after this. Or T7 means A plus 6D twice A plus 2D plus 1. Or we can directly substitute the value of A here, or let's solve first few steps, then we substitute. A plus 6D equals to twice A plus 4D plus 1. Or 6D here, let's bring this 4D this side. 6D minus 4D equals to twice A minus A plus 1. Or this is 2D equals to A plus 1. So I am saying that thing here. Instead of A, okay, sorry. Now there, value of A we substitute here. Or 2D equals to, instead of A, 3 by 2D. 3 by 2D plus 1. Now I'll take this left side, or we can take LCM as well, no matter. Twice D equals to, if you take the LCM, it will be 3D plus 2 by 2, okay? Or now cross multiply here, 4D equals to 3D plus 2, or 4D minus 3D means D equals to 2, in this way. Here leaving some space according to the requirement, here also we can manage it. If we are doing like this, so then it's okay. Put the value in fraction, don't put in decimal value, it will be giving not an exact result. So I left like this. After this, here you can give from equation third, okay. Now in this way you have calculated the value of D. Now after getting the value of D, we need to take help from equation third, so that now from equation third we have, yes, we get A equals to 3 by 2, here 3 by 2 times D, D means here 2, so that our result is 3. Value of A also calculated. Now what we need? We need to get the sum of first 10 terms, so that we can easily do this now, okay. Yes, 10. See, now sum of first 10 term means yes 10, okay. For yes 10, I do yes n equals to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 D, or s 10 equals to 10 by 2, 2 times value of A, we have 3 there, plus here yes n means yes n is 10, so that 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1, and value of D we have calculated here 2. Now here 10 divided by 2, 5, 3 times 2 times 3, 6, here 9 times 2, yeah, okay, 5 here and here 6 plus 9 to 18, we are getting, yes, 9 times 2. After that 5, 24. That means here I will write 120. Clear? Now you can give conclusion here. Hence the sum of first 10 terms of the series is 120. Okay, that will be our conclusion. Hence the required sum of first 10, okay, first 10 terms of the series also you can add, of the series is 120. Answer. Okay, this type of questions will be little bit more important, okay, because here we have the condition and we need to make the two different equations first. After that we can solve to get the required result. Okay, let's see next problem now. Okay students, let's see this question. Here, in an arithmetic sequence, the sum of the first 10 term means S10 is 520. We can make formula here, yeah. After this, if the 7th term T7, if the 7th term is double of its third term, means double of its third term, a condition is given here, yeah. Calculate the first term A and the common difference D. Means we can do easily here. This one formula we can apply, we can use here, and after this with the help of this condition as well, we can supply the formula there. If we solve these two equations, we are getting the value of A and D respectively. Okay, let's start this one. Let the solution, okay, let A and D be the first term and common difference, then we can say respectively as well. Then see, S10 equals to, then S10 equals to 520. This is our first condition given to us. We can solve here as well, or first mention and after that you can solve. Okay, and 7th term T7 is equals to, 7th term is double of its third term, as a equation second. Now from equation 1, see, now from equation 1, Sn equals to, we have to use the formula. Okay, you can do like this as well. Sn equals to means we are taking directly this, S10 equals to 520, or we have to give the formula but directly here. If we are doing like this, our formula, if you are confused, you can mention somewhere in a rough like this. Sn equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 d. That means if 10 here, then S10 it became, yeah, then 10 by 2 twice a plus 10 minus 1 d equals to 520. We are using this formula here. Okay, or divide this, it will be 5. After that, this is twice a plus 9 d equals to 520. We can divide here as well. Okay, or twice a plus 9d equals to 5 times 1, 5 4 are 20, means 104. This is our equation. I am leaving some space here. Okay, what type of condition will be there, according to that we will give the name here with managing some value. Okay, after this let's go there for second case. And it's in every time I'm using substitution method. Okay, instead of that, if you have easier way, if you can easily that elimination, then you can use that method as well. And from equation second, see, equation second, T7 equals to double of third term, or T7 means A plus 6D, and here 2 times T3 means A plus 2D, or A plus 6D equals to twice A plus 4D, or 6D minus 4D means 2D, twice A minus A means A, therefore A equals to twice D. This will be easier, yeah. If we substitute this value here, it looks nice, yeah. Okay, so let's make it as a equation third and it as a equation 4. Now from equation 3 and 4. Okay, see, or you can say substituting the value of a from equation 4 to equation 3 we get. Okay, now from equation 3rd and 4 we get. See students, here we have twice a, so that 2 instead of a we are substituting 2d, so that 2d after this plus here we have 9d and after that we have 104. That means instead of a 2d value we are substituting here. Okay, twice time 2d instead of a, or 4d plus 9d equals to 104, or here 13d equals to 104. Therefore d equals to 104 divided by 13 means 8. Yes, okay, 8. After getting value of d, now from equation 4 we get a equals to, sorry, a, see here once, a means 2d. Okay, a means 2 times d, and d already we have calculated, so that a equals to 2 times value of d is 8 here, equals to 8 times 2 or 2 times 8, 16. And we are asked to find the value of a and d, which we did. So let's give conclusion. Hence, first term a 16, common difference d equals to, common difference d means 8. Answer. Okay, dear students, in this way we have solved lots of problems related to arithmetic progression. Okay, how to get mean, how to get the number of means, difference between means and terms, inserting the number of means in between the given terms, yeah, missing value. In this way, almost all important questions which are asked in your SE examination has been solved. Now from next lecture we are going to geometric progression, and in the same way we are doing there as well. And after completing geometric progression, we will see almost all the mixed questions from arithmetic progression and geometric progression, okay, which are very important for your examination point of view. I hope, dear students, you enjoyed this video and you are happily doing like, share and subscribe to our channel, okay, because your help, your like, your subscribe will motivate us to give more and more videos, okay, and your comment will be our motivation, okay. Your positive comments will make us happy and will give the value of our this channel to other as well, okay, for the public. So that please don't forget to comment as well. Anyway, thank you.